Halloween. Yeah, where are we going?
I'm not scared of Halloween.
Oh, you're not scared with the Halloween. Okay. It's so windy, darling.
It's a beachy.
Yeah.
It's a beachy.
Darling. Whoa. What you gonna say?
It's a watch.
Yeah. Happy Halloween. Abby's there. Hello, Abby. Happy Halloween.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Trick or treats, Bulimba.
Let that door easy. Yeah. And I'm gonna light up the night.
Hello, magandang araw! Tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming second Halloween Festival. Yan, so nandito kami sa Bulimba kasi meron silang Halloween Festival na Hocus Pocus. And then, bago pa kami magkaumpisa ng trick or treats, ay, ang kanyang nani ay binigyan sila ng isang bag ng mga candies tsaka chocolate. Aba, talagang, oh, ang ganda ng mga decoration nila, lalo na dito sa kanilang mga store. At ang dami pang mga candies tsaka chocolate. Talagang itong aking little girl ay excited na excited. At lahat ng mga kiddos ay talagang with all the costume for the Halloween. And lalo na itong mga office ay hindi talaga sila magpapaawat sa kanilang mga trick or treats. Aba, bakil na naman tayo guys. Pero okay lang yan. Go lang tayo ng go. At itong aming little girl, ay, talagang enjoy na enjoy talaga siya. Good job, darling.
There, darling.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Yeah. You're gonna see trick or treat. Wow. Go with Abby. You're gonna say trick or treat. Trick or treat. Come on, darling. Come on, pick one. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Yan, so dito kami sa mga store dito sa Bulimba. Yan, so maraming mga trick or treat na nabibigay sila ng mga candy tsaka chocolate. Yay! Hala, look at that one! Who's that one? Ooh! Yay! Get one only. Okay. Yay! Happy Halloween! Get one, get one.
Kit Kat!
Yay! What's this
Let me! Kit Kat! Happy
Ganda mo, wow! Gonna trick or treat! Yay, what you got, darling? Thank you. Trick or treats!
Yeah, going.
Come on, Alan, go!
Yeah, no, that's from him, mate. He's giving them out.
Yeah.
Talagang sobrang saya. At itong aming little girl, ay, ayaw na mapaghintay. Kinuha na agad yung candies. Oh, darling.
Yay! You like it? Are you happy? Oh, too many trick or treats.
Oh, sorry, Kindle.
Painting. Unicorn.
Like
Unicorn. You like that one? Which in the left side or right side on your face? Which one? Oh, you like corn. Yay! Candle face painting. First time. Unicorn.
Talaga naman itong aming little girl talagang very patient for her turn for face painting.
Okay.
Hiya, wow, so many sweet
It's the first time.
Oh my gosh, a unicorn.
Okay.
Just start stuck in
Yeah. Lovely, darling.
glitter.
Yeah, glitter. Thank you. Have a look, darling. Have a look in the mirror. Oh, what you gonna say? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Take a photo.
Candle in the lamp. Like it?
Like it? Very pretty.
Aba-aba, talagang happy na happy ang magpipinsan sa kanilang face painting. The best talaga ito sa mga okasyon na ganito. Yes, so ang dami pa nilang mga trick or treats na pinupuntahan at mayroon pang mga pa-games.
Oh, a trick.
Trick.
That was great. Oh, it's a trick actually. Go grab a trick.
Okay, you go there, darling.
Ready? We'll spin together. You ready?
Spin,
1,
spin.
2. A treat. Good
A
job.
treat. Come on, you get your treat. Yay.
Hey guys. Wanna have a spin? Big spin. Big spin. But all you gotta do is
Yeah, thank you. What you got, darling?
give me another spin.
Another one.
At hindi pa yan matatapos ang trick or treat kasi marami pa. Yan. So, nandito na yung pinsan ni Kendall na si Valley and Jude. Kasama yung sister ni Mr. Ay, talagang ang saya-saya. Tara, samahan nyo kami at mag-enjoy tayo sa mga jumping castle kasama mga pinsan ni Kendall na si Valley, Jude at Evie. Yan, talagang ang ganda ng araw for today, lalo na for Halloween kasi ang ganda dito sa Bulimba, ang lawak na kanilang playground. Yes, at dito na nga ang aking little gear. Ay, dito na yung start kasama yung pinsan niya na si Evie. Talagang go lang ng go, darling, at enjoy lang kayo kasi it's the best time of the day to enjoy Halloween. Yes, go darling! Good job! Enjoy na enjoy talaga ang aking little girl kasama ang kanyang pinsan. Sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ang aking little girl. Aba, kasama ang kanyang pinsan. Yes, para sa akin, the best talaga itong mga okasyon na ganito. Kasi ang dami nilang memories, lalo na pag kids sila. Yan, so enjoy lang darling at saka go lang tayo ng go. At wag kang susuko kasi you are a strong girl. Yan, so ang dami talagang mga jumping castle dito. Aba, ayaw talaga magpaawat silang dalawa sa kakaslide. Pero okay lang yan. Go lang tayo ng go and be happy. Yan. So, ang dami pa talaga nilang pupuntahan. So, go lang tayo ng go, darling. And of course, marami pang mga jumping castle sa ibang area. Talagang go lang tayo ng go, darling. At talagang hinahatak talaga niya ang kanyang nani. Kasi sabi niya, we gonna go there, nani. Wow, talagang enjoy na enjoy ang aking little girl. Talagang itong magpipinsan ay ayaw talaga magpaawa sa mga slide. Yes. So, habang nagwo-walking na naman kami, ay, alam naman yung mga kiddos ay mahihilig talaga sa sweet. So, habang nagtitrick or treats, ay, kakain din yan. Oh my goodness, darling. Pero, okay lang yan, darling. Treat yourself. Talagang ang daming mga food dito.
Oh my God, amazing. Ang dami nila. Enjoy na enjoy ang trick or treat dito. Lalo na dito sa Bulimba, Brisbane. Yes, it's October 31 here. And it's very, very good. And amazing. Perfect for Halloween. For all the kids and family. Right, darling? Are you having good time there, darling?
I have a good time.
Wow, yummy, yummy. Yeah. Very nice. Trick or treat.
Walang katapusang trick or treat for the second time kasi kasama ni Kendall ang kanyang pinsan na si Valley and Jude. Talagang ang saya-saya. At dito na naman kami sa Bubble Disco. Aba, ang daming mga kiddos with all their Halloween outfit. Yes! And the best thing is the bubbles. Talagang itong aking little girl ay all around, go around, merry-go-round, and then get the bubbles. Yan. So, enjoy na enjoy talaga ang aking little girl with all the music pa sila and dancing. Yes. So, talagang itong mga kiddos na ganito ay sobrang saya nila and the best Halloween ever. Yes. At syempre, hindi magpapaawat ang mga pinsan ni Kendall. Yes, go lang tayo ng go. It's the best Halloween ever.
What's it called? I really wish it. Is it?
Gangnam Style.
Okay, right, let's go. another language to me. Okay. Okay, right. If you think it's a little bit funny, right? And chest. And this is for you. One, the best dancer at Hocus Pocus so far. What's your name? Kingsley. Can everybody give Kingsley a bit of a round of applause?
At talaga naman itong magpipinsan ay ayaw talaga magpaawat sa kanilang mga lolis. Yan. So habang busy ang mga ibang kiddos sa kanilang mga dancing portion, ay itong dalawang magpipinsan ay kumakain ng lollipop. Ay talagang enjoy na enjoy sila. At dito na nga ay dancing and lollipop. Oh my goodness. Talagang have fun talaga itong mga kiddos at talagang itong magpipinsan ay the best talaga itong bubble disco for the kiddos. Talagang every kiddos at syempre, ang mga parenthood, enjoy na enjoy din kakanood sa kanilang mga kiddos. Aba, malapit tayong mabakil doon, pero okay lang yan guys. Go lang tayo. Lalo na sa mga ganitong bagay na happy ang ating kiddos, talagang nagpapasaya din sa atin. Yes! So go darling, enjoy na enjoy siya sa mga bubbles. Unlimited fun talaga ang bubble disco. Talagang itong mga kiddos ay sobrang nag-enjoy talaga sila. And ang gaganda ng kanilang mga Halloween costume. Nakakamangha. Yan. At ang iba't iba pang mga ghost character. Yan. Pero itong bubbles ay go lang ng go. Ang dami talagang natuwa at nag-enjoy, lalo na ang mga parenthood. Talagang the best dito talaga ang Hocus Pocus. Wow, the best ever. Yan, at ang dami pang mga ghost na kanilang mga decoration. At itong dalawang magpipinsan ay ayaw din magpaawat sa kanilang mga laro. Ay, basta happy lang kayo at enjoy, ay all good tayo. Basta walang awayan at talaga walang iyakan, okay lang tayo. Dance and have fun mga kiddos. Yan. So ang aking little gear ay dance din siya. Kasama yung pinsan niya na si Evie. Walang katapusan talaga. Ay, the best. And of course, gutom na ang mga person kasi walang katapusang laro at todo sayaw. Ay, dito muna kami bibili ng pagkain dito sa Greece. Talagang ang sarap nito, lalo na with the bread. While naghihintay pa kami sa aming food, ay aba, ito na naman sila. Ayaw talaga nilang magpaawat itong magpipinsan. Dito na naman sila sa playground. Ay, my goodness, talagang 200% ang kanilang mga porsyentong lakas. Aba, Dragon Ball talaga ito sila. Oh my goodness. Pero go lang tayo ng go. Habang enjoy sila, ay happy din ang mami. Yes, darling. Go lang ng go. At syempre, bago pa kami umuwi, ay balik na naman sila sa jumping castle. Aba.
Yay! Good job, darling. Good job. Okay, go to the next. Good job. Yay! Yeah, you did it. Good job. Oh, so much fun. And ang daming tao, my God. Yeah, so much fun. Yeah, it's a good Halloween for the kids and all the family. All good.
Talaga namang ang dami talagang mga kids activities dito. Lalo na dito sa Bulimba Halloween Festival Hocus Pocus. Aba, nandito na naman sila sa my first gym. Yan, so tinutulungan si Kendall sa kanyang pinsan na si Evie. Kasi first time ng aming little gear. Pero, ay napaka-strong. Ayaw talaga niya magpaawat. Talagang go lang ng go, darling. Have fun. Yes. So, enjoy na enjoy silang dalawa. Yes. So, go, darling. Good job. Mga simpleng okasyon man o ang malakihang okasyon, ang importante masaya ang ating kids. Yan. It's a good memories for them. At talagang happy sila at nag-e-enjoy, ay happy din tayong mga parenthood. Yes. So, all good, darling. Enjoy lang ng enjoy. Talagang is a good memories, lalo na pag bata pa sila at habang lumalaki sila, para sa akin is a good memories. Yan, paulit-ulit na lang tayo. Pero okay lang yan as long as we are happy and stay healthy and be good. Talagang ang buhay ay okay lang yan. And remember to always pray to God and do hard work in life. At lahat ng ating mga gusto sa buhay ay unti-unti nating makamtan at happy tayo sa ating pamilya at manatili tayong maging humble and kind. Yes, so go lang, darling, and enjoy! At talagang itong magpipinsan, aba, humirit pa talaga sila for the last time ng trick or treat. Oy, ang dami na namang mga chocolate tsaka candy. Bahay na kami. Yan, samahan nyo kami at tignan natin kung ano yung mga laman ng trick or treat ng aking little gear na basket. Yan, talagang dahan-dahan talaga niyang kinukuha. Yes, darling, I'm happy na happy ka talaga sa iyong Halloween. Yes. So, ang dami palang laman. My goodness, darling. Good luck to mommy. Ang dami na namang mga sweets. Oh, no. Pero okay lang yan. Yes. Go, go, go.
Oh, you got chips. Wow.
love chips.
Yes. Chocolate again.
I got
Oh, you got a burger gummy.
look at dummy.
Wow, delicious.
Delicious. I eat it. You could.
What else? What else?
Enjoy.
Mentos.
My dog.
Ice. Wow.
That's my icon.
Wow. Unicorn bracelet.
That's my light.
One.
It's a Halloween.
Halloween is a witch candy.
We can do.
Yeah. Show it to the guys. Show it to Halloween.
Which Halloween?
Which Halloween? Show it.
I like a wish.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, darling. Ang dami talaga niyang mga chocolate tsaka candy. Aba. Pero okay lang yan, guys. Kasi once a year. Yan, alam niyo naman yung mga kiddos talaga mahihilig sa sweet. Pero as a parenthood, yes, always guide your kiddos. Yan. So okay lang yan, darling. Enjoy and have fun.
Bye-bye.
What you gonna say?
Thank you for watching.
And then, Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
Flying kisses. Wow, be good!
Be good.